Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at something from Academia BARILLA. This is Antipasti and starter snacks, delicious recipes for Italian favorites. So I've already gone over at least one of these cookbooks before from Academia BARILLA, but basically this is a series of different topics that they have published. Here on the front cover, you can see here some stock photo, title, etc. Here on the binding, similarly, and this is from Taunton. If we look at on the back, a little bit more description. We got 40 recipes, more stock photos, a little bit about the author, but it is basically from Academia BARILLA. You can see here from Taunton Press, pricing information at the time, and some barcode information. If we go ahead and look on the inside cover, you can see here kind of a chef hat design. If we continue, here's our title page. And you can see here a little bit more description. Let's actually leap back to the back here. I believe the publishing information is back here. You can see it's printed you-know-where. Taunton Press, this is from 2013 by Agostini Libri. So, good information there. Continuing back, there's going to be lots of stock photos and then the recipes themselves. Here are the contents. And a little bit more credit information there. And then it gets into basically lots of photos, some text, and the recipes themselves. So again, this concentrates basically on antipasti and starters. Towards the end, you can see the photo credits and the ingredients index, as you can see here. So if you want to work with just ingredients and see what you want to create with those, that's kind of handy there. But another flip through real quick. Quick look at antipasti and starter snacks from the Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites series from Academia BARILLA. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out our book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.